Hey guys, it's your boy Corey here. Real Men Get It Done. We are gonna go over some beard care. I have, again, always updating and retrying some new things for my beard care. And so I wanna share that with you and show you a new beard care system that I'm using, and it definitely has helped me level up and I love it. So I wanna share it with y'all. Let's get right into it. Real Men Get It Done. All right, y'all, so we're jumping right into this beard care. Gonna share some tips and tricks, and really the purpose of this video is to highlight a new collaborator that I have. And man, let me just tell y'all, it's funny how just blessed and things come full circle, like for real. If you have no clue, I am Corey. This is Real Men Get It Done. I have been growing this YouTube channel for several years, just out of a labor of love and showing positivity of men and fatherhood. I have tons of videos with my kids and me cleaning, just taking care of home, taking care of self, which is so important to me as being a dad. And a lot of the content that most people gravitated towards was my beard care and my head care videos. So that's why I have a lot of those there, because of course you want to be monetized and make some money on YouTube. But I have also expanded. I'm on a brand new app called Chatter. It's in beta mode. So that means that I'm testing it out along with a whole bunch of other creators and just regular folks. And I have the opportunity on there to expand me talking about fatherhood and parenting and just connecting with people on that platform, which is pretty dope. So the brand is growing. Real Men Get It Done is growing. And I'm always looking to level up when it comes to products and just sharing stuff with my community as well. So this video today comes really full circle. I have been using a beard care brand called Scotch Porter before they got really big. Before I was even getting sponsored by them to show videos. So a lot of that you'll see, I have content about Scotch Porter, and I may have content where you can go to my Amazon store and get it, whatnot. That partnership has ended, but I still love their products. But for the past, I would say 2 months or more, I've stumbled upon a new product that I've been using for my beard, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna share it with you. I'm gonna get my beard together so I go and get out of here for the evening. But this is how things come full circle when you're just grinding and doing what you're supposed to be doing. And for me, that just means sharing who I am and sharing positivity with all of you. So the same thing like with Scotch Porter, I was just doing my thing on YouTube and they saw me, they wanted me to be a brand sponsor. And that is how this came around to this new sponsor that I'm using. And I absolutely love the products, y'all. They have a beard butter, a beard oil, and a beard leave-in hydration mist is what they're calling it. And it's from Classic Grooming. So if you have been on YouTube in these streets and you have been connecting about beard care, you may have stumbled upon, it looks just like him, Be the Barber. And he was truly, I ain't gonna front, inspiration for before I even started doing YouTube, as I started to do YouTube, because I was just trying to find tips and tricks for my own beard care. Well, Be the Barber has created his own line, and it's pretty dope. And it's funny because I didn't even realize that it was his line until after I first got a sample, used it for several months because I didn't want to be biased. I wanted to like have a real, true, authentic kind of view about it. And then when I was like, okay, I think it's legit and I want to do a video about it, then I started digging into a little bit deeper. And I was like, oh, this makes perfect sense. I know exactly who it is. And I wasn't even paying attention to the silhouette on the actual bottle. Okay, this is probably what it is, because their stuff smells really good. And I'm not sure exactly which one it is, but I'm probably assuming, yeah, they have some mango in here, mango and apricot, but this beard butter smells amazing. The beard oil smells amazing. And the mist, I don't really know, I can't really necessarily smell the mist, but it does its job. Like, it feels good, it's not too crazy oily, and just has my beard leveling up. Funny story, I went to a conference, a work conference, and I had my stuff in my beard, and people always are giving me compliments, of course, on my beard. And this lady was like, "Oh, your beard is so nice." And she's like, "Can I smell it?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she smelled my beard. She's like, "It smells so good." So I was like, "Oh yeah, leveling up with my products." So like I said, that's just a funny story. But the products are legit. I love them. I'm gonna have a link in my description where y'all can get it, connect with it. And this is an African-American beard line. So I'm assuming it can work for many different hair types, but for us, sometimes we want to have just products that we know can be used for our type of hair. So if you aren't black, but you got this kind of hair care and texture, probably going to be a good fit. If you're not, your beard care texture is different, check the website out. Make sure it's a good fit for you, but it smells amazing. So that's what I've been using. I'm gonna go ahead and get my beard all trimmed up, put the products in, and go ahead and keep things moving. But thank y'all so much in advance just for following the channel, for continually rocking with your boy. Again, we're spreading love and light and positivity. Real men get it done. And the one thing I'll say about my beard care, y'all, is just like, if you are maintaining and your beard's getting bigger, don't hesitate to try to trim it a little bit. The only way you're gonna learn is doing it. But now that I do have my beard and it's so thick, I do have a barber. So I go to my barber pretty regularly, but in the in-between time, I do trim it myself. And I'm self-taught. I've been just teaching myself since like high school, so 20-some years. I mean, crazy. So just get to it, y'all. I mean, it's only hair. But outside of that, as I'm trimming up a little bit, man, life has been good, y'all. I can't complain. Because of the YouTube channel, I started a cleaning business because of it, of all the stuff that I used to do on the channel. Celebrating 5 years, which is crazy. Just moved into the commercial space. All of my kids were teenagers. They work for the business, so they're learning entrepreneurship and getting their own money. It's just an amazing season of life. Just trying to continue to level up. Grow this channel as much as I can. And keep the positivity of fatherhood just at the forefront, which is a job I take very seriously by having 3 kiddos. So yeah, that's what I've been up to in terms of that, and just trying to get some videos out there every now and again because life is so busy. And I ain't gonna hold you, as I said, I am self-taught. So sometimes I go for perfection and end up messing my beard up. As I told y'all, it's just hair. So sometimes I don't mind because I can mess it up to a certain degree, let it grow back in, my barber take care of it. But I'm trying to keep it a lot more fuller these days. So I want the mustache to kind of stay full. So I don't look for the perfection piece of it. Most people won't even be able to know a difference. So hopefully y'all ain't clowning me, but if you are, I don't care because my hair's gonna go back quick anyway. So by the time I go back to the barber, it probably will be all grown in, but we ain't gonna stress about it. And if it's too bad, I'll fix it in the morning. Like I said, it's nighttime. The lighting isn't the best in the bathroom. Sometimes I will swap out my lights and put a heavier bulb in. But again, that's probably just giving y'all too much information, but who cares? At the end of the day, I'm just trying to empower you to be okay with doing your own hair. Most people are not gonna pay attention and look at you that close to see that it's maybe a little bit off or small, on one end or whatever. But I just wanted to look nice and decent. And like I said, just for me to be out and about. So I'm not gonna stress about it too much. It is what it is. But the biggest thing, obviously, this video is we showcasing and highlight the products. So that's the most important thing I want to show y'all. But after the hair is done, just trimmed up a little bit. I like to use, this is actually my full method that I like to use. I'll take a little bit of the drops, just a little bit, bam, get them in the beard, I just go bam, 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 3 sides. Follow it off by the beard butter. I told y'all that stuff smells amazing. Gotta be that mango that's in there, that's a part of it. Follow up with the leave-in mist. So it's no right or wrong way. That's just the way I get down. And then that's it, y'all. Ooh, that is a long gray hair. Lord have mercy. Oh, it came out. And there it is, y'all. So, man, let's blow Classic Grooming up. Let's purchase this and support this brother who's also a barber and his partner, as they're just trying to bring a little something different to the game. And as I said, I think they work amazing, and I love the 3-step process. Makes it nice and easy for y'all brothers that have brittle beards and y'all trying to level up. I think this would be a good fit, utilizing it for your beards to help level up, make sure that it's manageable, it's soft, and you got the lady saying you smell good. And it's not your cologne, but it's your beard fragrance. So I'll leave it there. I appreciate y'all so much. Everything that I use will be in the links in the description. My Amazon store, the link to the new Beardcare line, Classic Grooming. And just thank y'all for being on this journey with me. Let's continue to level up, spread positivity, and just encourage men and my fathers that we can level up, we can do this thing, and we can take care of home and also ourselves. So until next time, y'all, peace and blessings. Real men get it done.